We got 13 pounds, no,
Yeah,
we
plenty of
have
weight.
12 pounds to work with.
And just right cross, right?
Go.
So were you pressing down on the arm while you're backing up? A little bit. So what do you need to do? Get some weight on the back.
You can get a better view.
In Robot Playground on Simulink. We used the with Clawbot example file to create it, as our team has never used MATLAB or Simulink before, and we figured using the example would be the best way for us to complete our model, as the incredibly minimal documentation on Robot Playground made it difficult to learn about the software. In our model, we were unable to include the full robot because when we tried to do so, it would throw a position violation error, likely because of overlapping and unconstrained parts on our robot assembly, which prevented the simulation from running. And then, even when the parts were reverted back to their original state, this error became persistent. So we deleted all the parts except for the base, wheels, and the green spheres that allowed the robot to have collision detection with the ground, which is why there's one unconnected output lines warning in the model where we deleted a part. In order to create a Robot Playground model, we first exported our assembly and all its parts as .stp files, and imported the assembly into Simulink Multibody as a file solid, just to see if we were capable of importing a model into Simulink, and it did work. Next, we explored the Robot Playground examples and decided to replace the file solids in the Teleop Clawbot example with our own parts, which led to us needing to meticulously adjust the numbers in the Cartesian translation and rotation in the rigid transform blocks to get the parts in the right place on our robot base. We were able to get our robot to move and be controlled by the user controls. Had we more time, resources, experience, we might have been able to make the entirety of our robot operable in Robot Playground. While using Simulink specifically for Robot Playground and in general has been incredibly frustrating and time-consuming, it has been a valuable learning experience for all of our members, and we will all carry this with us in our future careers.